damn dick. Smoke a little crack. Well, what do you do for a living?
Basically, what I do is I take that money for certain banks and I set that aside.
I don't want to hear about the banks. I thought you was finna give me some money. We're gonna go and I was gonna suck your damn dick.
Okay, so anyway, I take the money.
So anyway, you're gonna take the money, you're gonna put it in my pocket, I'm gonna suck your damn dick and lick your balls or whatever, and that's gonna be it. That's all it's gonna be about, okay? Don't you want to get your shit grooved on? Don't you want to be sucked on and licked on and all this shit? Don't I know what y'all white boys want, so just give me the damn money, okay?
This is ridiculous.
It can't be ridiculous. It'd be ridiculous if you don't get none of this pussy.
Listen, we'll just go on a date, we'll get some dinner, and, you know, we'll try to have
dinner? I don't want to
nice.
fucking eat. I want to smoke and fuck you. You my dinner. You the dinner I want to do.
This is ridiculous.
You gonna fill me up tonight.
I mean, you don't eat food, though? You're not a normal person?
Yeah, I eat food, but I don't want to eat no food tonight. I want to eat your motherfucking ass for the night, okay?
You want to eat my ass?
Yeah, I want to eat your ass for the night. You what I want to eat for the night. You all the food I need for right now. What's wrong? Is you gay or something? You don't like pussy or something?
No, I'm not.
So what you is, a little bitch or something? Where you going?